Hey everyone, if you want to build websites, apps, dashboards, and landing pages faster without starting from scratch, Bolt AI templates can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bolt AI templates from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Bolt AI website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, create a new project and browse the available templates. Depending on the platform, you may find templates for business websites, SaaS products, portfolios, online stores, dashboards, blogs, and mobile applications. Take some time to explore the template library and choose one that closely matches the type of project you want to build. Starting with a relevant template can significantly reduce development time. When you find a template you like, select it and open it in the workspace. Bolt AI will load the project structure, design, and functionality associated with that template. And that's how to use Bolt AI templates in 2026. With ready-made project structures and AI-powered customization tools, you can build professional websites and applications much faster than starting from a blank page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.